How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's look at NKLA, Nikola Corporation. Pretty good day for this one, up 75 cents, just under 5% on the day. Good amount of volume, 9 million shares. It's right around the average volume per day, really. And it was nice because we do have this trend forming this year. We had a couple of downtrends the past couple days, and there's going to be your first resistance right there at the $19 right on the dot. Now, breaking in a little, zooming in a little bit more on the 10-day chart, you can see the resistance right there at the 1952 level. And that's going to be the really the main resistance heading into next week here, even though you do have some at 1888, 1817, but that's just, daily resistance. This is the high, and everybody's going to be looking at it for sure. Support, on the other hand, 1660, $17. VWAP is on our side right there at 1730. So this chart is really looking good. If it can't break over the 1880s, and then it really can't break over the 1950s, it's probably going to go back down to maybe 18 and then really push up. The company is bullish. The chart is bullish. So I'm not thinking it's going to, dip back down to $10, for example. EV is hot. Everybody knows it. There's no way around it. You have all these major car companies just, every month they're just releasing a new EV or even a hybrid that will always be the future here. So the lows are there at 936. So a couple things before we break it down in the news a little more. We alerted you in the Patreon, guys. We've been on Nikola like hawks. So click the link in the description box down below. $3, $5, or $7 a month. You get access to live alerts, watch lists, cryptocurrencies, options, and stocks. And we know we alerted you on Nikola. I believe it was $11, but we traded it back when it hit the 96, or excuse me, $94. But as we said, it was low, and it had to do it. Like I said, the weekly chart. This candle right here is not the best looking, but I mean, you still have the earnings at 8-4, so that's going to be hopefully going to be positive, or had anything better than these two. So yeah, -14. So the company's heading in the right direction. I would like it to be positive, or like I said, just anywhere better than -14, but we'll have to see. Talks about the news right here. Only was one article today and no articles yesterday. So, but every 5 days or so we do have some news, so that's always good. I would like more though, just because even if it featured in an article, but you get right here the Hydrogen Rising edition. You guys can pause the video and read any of this. It says lots have been written about Toyota Motor North America and Kenworth Trucks working together to put 10 Class 8 fuel cell trucks in a dry service at the Port of Los Angeles. It was led into 2019, so a couple years ago. Wow. Well, here's the thing with the hydrogen trucks. A couple of you guys said in the last video that Nikola was lying about things. I haven't found anything about that, so I don't really know. But if you guys know, please drop a link down in the comment section. I want to see the article because I don't want to be, doing technical analysis and saying this chart is pretty good when, the company's lying about something. You guys know what I'm saying? So let me know. Just a recap. Resistance at the 1950, support at 1660, as well as VWAP. Put VWAP back on right there at 1730 as well. If you click on the thumbnail, it says $100 PT. And that's just basically going on what everybody's going to be wanting. If they're at that 93, so everybody wants it the 93, and then 100 just makes it sound better. But I mean, I'm talking 2, 3, 4, 5 years away. I mean, it's not going to be $100 tomorrow. Granted that if they have some killer news, they could very well push it 30. Then 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, $90, $100. But we'll have to see where it goes. All right, guys, Nikola Corporation. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, come to the opinion, down below. And I would like to say I would like more volume. It's pretty stagnant right now, and granted, other companies have right around even a higher share price and more volume. So I would like more volume though. But all right, guys, Nikola. Thanks for watching.